Okay, disclaimer before I break down how I spent $1 million on my new song with Ed Sheeran. I've had songs go multi-platinum that I spent $0 on, and I've had songs do nothing that I've spent hundreds of thousands on. It's not as simple as, oh, if you just spend money, the song does well. If that was the case, then there would be no flops. Then every artist on every label would have a successful release every single time. So it's not as simple as that.
If it was that simple, every artist on every label would be that successful. I keep telling y'all, man, like, you're not going to get successful if you spend money. You're not going to get successful with just one relationship. You're not going to get successful if you get on the radio. You're not going to get successful if you get that feature, if you get that beat. You have to be in front of people consistently because you don't know what's going to go off and what isn't. He said he has songs that have went off that he spent $0 on. How do you get a song that goes off, you spend $0 on it? You do it through content. His content at that time was dropping music every single week at a time when nobody was doing that. You can do it now with videos, with posts, whatever it is. But you got to know how to market your music on social media if you want to win today, because you're not going to outspend the labels. You want to know how to market your music on social media? Click the link in the bio and enroll in our course right now. Mount the pond. Y'all stay tuned.